Today, we're learning airport English, from the moment you enter the airport to the moment you sit on the plane. Every step, every conversation, every phrase.
So, everything? The check-in counter, security, boarding?
Everything. We'll practice real conversations, simple words, no stress, just friendly English that really works.
Ooh, and can we talk about those scary security questions? Like when they ask, "Did you pack your bag yourself?" And my brain just stops working?
Yes, we'll cover that too. And Arthur, you always pack your own bag, right?
Yes, of course. I mean, my mom helped once, but
Arthur.
I was 12.
Okay, learners, let's begin this adventure together.
Okay, Emily, I just arrived at the airport. I have my suitcase, I have my passport. I'm standing in a big line. Now what?
Perfect. First question, do you know what check-in means?
Checking in? Like checking inside?
Close. Check-in means you give your suitcase to the airline. You get your boarding pass. You tell them, I'm here, I'm ready to fly.
Oh, so it's like registering.
Exactly. Let me show you. Imagine I'm the airline staff. You walk up to the counter. What do you say first?
Um, Hello?
Perfect start. Hello is always good. Now add this. I'd like to check in, please. Let's practice together, everyone. Repeat after me, slowly. Hello. I'd like to check in, please. I have a flight to New York.
Hey, that's easy.
See? You're already doing great. Okay, Arthur, you said hello. You want to check in. Now I'm the airline lady. I say, good morning. May I see your passport and booking confirmation?
Wait. May I see? What does that mean?
May I see is a polite way to say, can I look at, or please show me. So I'm asking, can I look at your passport?
Oh, okay. So I just give her my passport.
Yes. And you can say, here you are, or sure, here it is.
Here you are. I like that. It sounds polite.
Good. Now the lady will ask you questions, common questions. Let's practice. H.T. Gare, how many bags are you checking today?
Checking? But we're already checking in.
I know, confusing, right? Checking bags means how many suitcases are you giving to the airline? They go in the plane's belly, under the floor.
So I have one bag or I have two bags.
Perfect. Let's practice this question together, learners. Imagine someone asks, how many bags are you checking? Here are good answers. Just one bag. Two bags, please. Only this suitcase.
Easy. I can do this.
Next question, Arthur. The lady asks, would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Ooh, I know this. Window is the window. I can see clouds.
Yes, and aisle?
The other one?
Sort of. The aisle is the walkway in the plane. The aisle seat is next to the walkway. You can stretch your legs, easy to go to the bathroom.
I like window seats. I want to see the sky.
Then you say, a window seat, please. Or if you like the aisle, say, an aisle seat, please. Simple.
What if I don't care?
Then you say, I don't mind, or any seat is fine. The airline will choose for you.
Okay, I think I'm ready. But Emily, what if she talks too fast? What if I don't understand?
Then you say this magic phrase. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Say it slowly, say it clearly. It's okay to ask.
Sorry, can you repeat that, please? I love it. Okay, Emily, now the scary part security.
I have to take off my shoes, put my laptop in a box. What if I do something wrong?
Deep breath, Arthur. Security is easy when you know the steps. Let me guide you. First, you wait in line. When it's your turn, the security officer checks your boarding pass and passport. They might ask you, "Where are you flying today?"
Easy. I'm flying to New York.
Perfect. Now the tricky part. You put your things in plastic boxes. Let me explain. Take off your jacket, take off your shoes, sometimes, take out your laptop, take out your liquids like water bottles, shampoo, put everything in the boxes.
That's a lot.
I know, but everyone does it. Just watch the person in front of you. Copy them. It's okay to be slow.
Curious, but Emily, what if the security person asks me questions? What do they ask?
Good question. They ask important safety questions. Let's practice the most common ones. Did you pack your bag yourself?
Yes, I did.
Has anyone given you anything to carry?
No.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes, I have a small bottle of water.
Excellent, Arthur. These answers are simple and honest. Always tell the truth.
Okay, so I put my things in boxes. Now what? I walk through that door thing?
Yes, the metal detector. You walk through. If it beeps, don't panic. The officer will scan you with a small wand. It's normal.
Once, I forgot to take off my belt and it beeped and I was so scared.
That happens to everyone. Just stay calm, smile, say sorry if you forgot something. Security officers are friendly if you're polite.
Sorry, I forgot my belt. See? Easy.
Exactly. Now, after security, you pick up your things from the boxes, put your laptop back, put on your shoes, and you're done.
That's it? We survived security?
You survived. Now let's find your gate.
Can I share a fun fact?
Of course.
Did you know the word airport is actually two words? Air and port. Like a port for airplanes, like ships have seaports.
Arthur, that's actually really smart.
I know, I'm learning.
Okay, quick recap for our learners before we continue. At check-in, say, "I'd like to check in, please." Answer questions about bags and seats. At security, be honest, be polite, be calm.
Okay, learners, now let's board this plane.
You passed security, now you're at the gate. What's a gate?
The door to the plane?
Exactly. The gate is where you wait. There's a number on your boarding pass, like Gate 23 or Gate B7. Find that gate and sit down.
So I just wait.
Yes, but listen carefully. They will make announcements. Let's practice understanding them. Attention passengers on flight BA215 to London. We will begin boarding in 15 minutes. Please have your boarding pass ready.
Okay, that was a lot of words fast.
I know, patient. Let's break it down. Attention passengers means listen, everyone. Flight BA215 to London means this is about this flight. We will begin boarding in 15 minutes means we start in 15 minutes. Have your boarding pass ready means hold your ticket.
Oh, so I just need to recognize my flight number.
Exactly. Always know your flight number. Write it down, keep it close. We are now boarding Group 1. Group 1 passengers, please proceed to the gate.
Group 1? What if I'm group 3?
Explaining. Airlines board in groups. First, families with small children, then Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. It's on your boarding pass.
Let me see. Zone 2. Is that the same as group 2?
Yes, zone and group are the same. Just wait for your number.
But what if I don't hear the announcement?
Reassuring. Look at the screen near the gate. Look at other people. When your zone is called, everyone in that zone will stand up. Just follow them. When it's your turn, you walk to the gate agent, give them your boarding pass. They might scan it or look at it. Easy.
Do I say something?
You can say good morning or hello. The agent might say, have a nice flight, and you say, thank you.
Thank you. You too. Is that okay?
Perfect. Being friendly always helps. But Emily, what if something goes wrong? What if my flight is delayed or canceled? What do I say? Good question. Let's learn important phrases. If your flight is delayed, you can ask, when is the new departure time? How long is the delay? If your flight is canceled, you can ask, can I get on the next flight? Where can I rebook my ticket? If you miss your flight, you can ask, I missed my flight. Can you help me?
Wow, these are so useful.
Remember, airport staff help you every day. Don't be scared to ask questions. They want to help.
Emily, I have one more question. What if I don't understand someone? Like they talk really fast.
Arthur, this is the most important phrase for travelers. Ready?
Ready.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you speak more slowly, please?
I'm sorry. I don't understand. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Perfect. And you know what? Most people will smile and help you. Being honest is always okay.
I feel so much better now. Airports don't seem so scary anymore.
That's because you're prepared. You know what to say, you know what to expect, you're ready. Dear learners, can I tell you something important? Learning English is like traveling. Sometimes you feel lost, sometimes you feel scared, sometimes you don't understand. But you know what? Every small step counts. Every hello, every thank you. Every time you try, you're growing.
Emily's right. I used to be so scared of airports, but now I know what to do. And if you can learn these phrases today, you can use them tomorrow.
You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every word. You just need to try. Be brave. Be kind. And remember, everyone was a beginner once.
Even me. And look at me now. I'm almost a pro. Okay, maybe not a pro, but I'm getting better.
We're all getting better, Arthur. That's the point.
So, next time you're at an airport, take a deep breath, remember these phrases, and speak English with confidence.
You've got this, friends. We believe in you.
Okay, learners, now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
In the comments, tell us, have you ever traveled by plane? What was your experience? Was it scary? Was it fun? Or have you never flown before and you're nervous?
Tell us one phrase you learned today. Write it in English. We'll read your comments and cheer for you.
And if this video helped you, if you feel a little bit more confident now, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
And subscribe. Click that button because next week we're teaching you English at a restaurant. How to order food, how to ask questions, how to sound like a natural English speaker.
We'll see you next time, beautiful learners. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself.
Safe travels, everyone. Bye.